Griff, owner of Tactical Transportation, a small carrier based out of St. Louis, Missouri. I've been using the UNIQ TMS for about a year. As you know, as a small carrier, you're pretty much running a company and doing everything yourself, from creating invoices to your customers, to generating settlements to your drivers, to dispatching, to, you're running the day-to-day operations. With the UNIQ TMS, it pretty much is a one-stop shop that frees all your time from, creating, numerous Excel sheets and, doing math and, all the kind of tedious work that you don't have the time or the resources to maybe pay a secretary for. This TMS does it all. One of my favorite features of the UNIQ TMS is its third-party integration capabilities. The software is able to integrate with many ELD providers, fuel card providers, tolls. You're able to track the expenses and the mileage of your drivers down to the T. You're able to, generate reports for IFTA. You can see exactly how well a truck is performing, each month. And from there, you can make, changes within your company. You can see how well other trucks are performing, compared to other trucks. You can see exactly how much fuel is being used. There's so many reports you can pull with this software, which if you're a numbers guy like me, you kind of want to see the numbers to see how your company's performing. My advice to anyone on the fence about purchasing this software, it's a no-brainer. You have to get it. Whether you have one truck or 100 trucks, you're basically getting an administrative assistant for a fraction of the cost it would cost you to hire someone. It's well worth it. It's well worth your time. It's a no-brainer. Again, my name is Griff, owner of Tactical Transportation. If you're a driver looking for an opportunity, we would love to have you join our team. We have trucks available. Thank you.